Yo, what's up guys, Yuka here, welcome back to another video, another trade recap today, and this is how I made $222 today trading the Nasdaq, and let's go through it and let's go to the bias for the day. Let's go to 4 hour, because that's where I like to start the day and mark out draws on liquidity. So we have for the 4 hour, this 4 hour highs, and these 4 hour lows. Not really much more on Nasdaq. On the 1 hour, we have these 1 hour highs, these 1 hour lows, and these 1 hour lows. We have like stacked up lows, low. So we have good draws on liquidity for both sides. Let's go to yes, and on yes, it was kind of funny. We are quite a bit away from these hourly highs that I was targeting, but we actually create a bearish SMT out of market open. But let's first go to the bias that I had initially. So initially my bias was actually bullish. Why? Quite simple. So for me this was long session manipulation reversal, like we manipulate these lows, reverse out of them, like these 1 hour lows, I think. No. I think I have that right. Yeah. Holy shit, where am I going? That's the video the backtesting video, it's processing already, so you guys will see it soon. I thought it was manipulation reversal. I think this is 1 hour low, right? Yep. No. Yeah, 1 hour, no. Okay. Then I got that wrong, but for me this was manipulation reversal, like we manipulate all these lows, manipulation reversal out of it. And what I wanted to see on New York session open was continuation. To where? To these highs, and these highs, like relative equal highs. That's my target, that was my target. And really, like, it was not a 1 hour low manipulation, but we manipulate all these lows, low time frame, low resistance liquidity. For me that's enough, because this low down here is high resistance, these lows are low resistance. So like for me, this being swept, these lows is kind of a manipulation reversal. Now what we want to see on New York session, continuation of the move. So manipulation reversal, continuation, New York session, but holy moly. But before we get a continuation, we need to see some kind of low time frame liquidity sweep. And what I like to see personally is 5 minute lows get swept. So these lows, I like to get swept, potentially filling this order block and breaker block, which are marked down and here before we move higher. That happened really. Of course now we are in a mess, but what happened really on market open is we create a bearish SMT out of, I think it's these highs, no maybe not. No, it's these highs right here, these 1 hour highs, which are as well Asian session highs. So basically on yes, we sweep both of them. We sweep these London session highs and these Asian session highs. Are they Asian? No, these are not Asian session highs, but these are 1 hour highs. It doesn't matter. These are 1 hour highs. We sweep them out right on market open. This was again like my take profit one got it, which was again like these Asian session highs were my take profit one, because my bias was bullish, because these highs are so close and we are down here. I want to see some kind of manipulation down before I move higher. This got swept, and then from then we get a bearish SMT out of those. And for me, I'm like, okay, we create a bearish SMT out of key level, getting it, not Asian session highs in this case, but London session highs. So from now, I'm looking for a trade. So I'm looking for continuation alphas, whatever. So we strip them out to create a bearish SMT. We move lower. In this case, I'm in the 5 minutes, because I want to see confirmation of the SMT, and when I want to see confirmation, I'm not in 1 minute. I wanted to see a bearish candle down, and that's exactly what we get. To get a bearish candle down, SMT got confirmed. Not only that, we also get a pre-market bullish SMT and right on market open bearish SMT as well. Two bullish SMT. So we get a bullish SMT right here on market open. I can show you guys. Sorry, a lot of information. I want to put this video quite quick. No, I don't want to make a 20-minute video of market recap again. Create this bullish SMT right on market open, price move higher, then we move lower and create another bullish SMT right here. Again, both are 5 minutes. I know we are in 1 minute for you guys to see better, but these are both 5 minute SMTs. I only look at 5 minute SMTs. For me, the 1 minute is just noise. Okay? I want to make that clear for you guys. Right here, boom, another bullish SMT. Again, 5 minute bullish SMT. We are not looking at the 1 minute. I already got lost in the noise in the past of the 1 minute. We are only looking at 5 minute SMTs, okay? That's why here I was waiting for 5 minute confirmation of the SMT, for me to confirm the SMT. That was pretty much it. Bullish SMT out of that. For me, this is pretty much the market saying, okay, we are still in the leading index, okay? We are following our rules. I want to trade the leading index in this case. Yeah, from there, bullish SMT, what is that telling me? Okay, be patient, Chuka, like these lows, okay, they have not been swept yet, and don't worry, and especially these relative equal lows down here, and these, yeah, pretty much it. So be patient, and you will get your entry, bro. We get a retracement up, and we sweep them out. We sweep out these highs, which were not part of the plan. I wanted to see some kind of SMT getting formed there, but it did not. We sweep them out. But for me, it's no worry. Like for me, this is quite and this is quite confusing because we just made a liquidity sweep, but this for me is a continuation confluence, so kind of bit of a retracement confluence. And I know this is kind of confusing because like this is a new liquidity sweep, so we should be expecting after that like the continuation confluence and everything. But like for me, this move up after we create this very bullish S&T is the retracement itself. And from then, I'm looking for 79% extension or breaker structure on inverse parallel gap. The only thing we really had was these two inverse parallel gaps. We invalidate this one, and for me that's enough. I enter on that. Stop loss above this high. Again, like take profit one was, and I can show you on yes, but again, I really wanted to trade the leading index on this case, bro. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, that I really wanted to trade the leading index just because things like this can happen, and I'll show you what happened soon, step by step, guys. Sorry. Yeah, we create the inverse parallel gap, and out of that, enter on that. Stop loss above these 1 minute highs. Take profit one was on these 5 minute lows, which right here, boom, these 5 minute lows got, that was, you know, yeah, pretty much the lows that we created. I don't think they are hourly lows. Let me check. They are not. They are okay. They are 1 hour lows as well. So strong draw on liquidity. There are also these 5 minute lows very close to it. So very close draw on liquidity. We also had these 5 minute lows close to these 5 minute lows. So for me, I was like, okay, I'm going to close two contracts right here. Boom. I closed another contract here, and I wanted to close one more contract here before leaving my last contract up to the end on this news data low. I think it's news data low. I hope at least, because it, you know, it had quite a drastic move. Maybe it is not. Maybe I just marked this out of stupidity and I shouldn't have marked it at all. But let's check. I don't think it's candle news low. I think no, it's not candle news low. So I shouldn't have not marked it out. I marked these out sometimes because, you know, sometimes these kind of lows on the 1 hour are news lows and news highs. But in this case, it's 5 minutes. It's not. It's nothing. So I should have put it like this. Boom. This should have been trade. Yeah, closed another contract here, and like for me, this was like super, like relative equal lows, strong draw liquidity. If market sweeps one out, we will want to sweep another out, and generally that's correct, yes. But in this case, because we are forming a bullish S&T out of these 5 minute lows, you know, which are also 1 hour lows. So very strong bullish S&T right here, these 1 hour lows, boom. We are creating a bullish S&T out of that. The market does not want to sweep down there because we are creating a bullish S&T out of it. So that was pretty much what happened. Market went there, formed a bullish S&T out of that. That's why we did not sweep these 5 minute lows and move higher. Again, like not the best risk reward ratio, and again, not the best profits. I could have made $500 something if I closed everything right here, maybe more. I risked 300 again. Like I did not increase much the risk. But yeah, if I close everything, I would have made more $300, which is pretty cool, pretty fucking cool. So yeah. Price stop goes up, stops me at break even, and then yeah, now it's consolidated. So that was pretty much the trade recap. I'll add that little detail that I need to be sure that it's news data low and not just a random ass low, because this is not even a low. This is just 5 minute candle up and down. So not even care about that. And yeah, should have closed more contract here, and yeah, would have been more happier. Even happier, but yeah, it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and yeah, see you guys on the next one. Actually, this video will come out after the trade recap. The backtesting video comes out. I think I need to check that out, but I'll keep you updated, guys. If this video comes out before the backtesting video, just make sure you guys will have the backtesting video that I'm doing, the part 2, the continuation, which is the final month, the rest of the month, pretty soon. So yeah, see you guys on the next one, and yeah, comment down below what kind of videos you want to see as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. See you guys on the next one.